Hello everyone, this is Gary and today we're doing another travel video. Now, as with all my travel videos, this is somewhere that I have visited and I thought it was well worth doing this video because I thought it was well worth a visit, and I would recommend that if you're in the area or you're planning a holiday in this area, that it is well worth thinking about going to this place as well. Now, you will find in this video some background, some history, some information about the place, and much of the detail of what I have been saying in this video will also appear in the description box if you want to have a look, as well as some links to some other travel videos that may be relevant and worth considering. You'll also find in the background, as I'm telling you about the place, some pictures to show you what is involved, what it looks like, and to help inform that decision, as I said, as to whether you make a visit as well. Or if you're just generally interested in this place, well, again, this video is for you, I hope. But really, there's not much more for me to say other than let's just get into it. Okay, so that was just a short summary, a short travel video about the place. Obviously there is way more that you can find out and discover if you go there yourself or if you do some research as I have done, but I hope that it will give you a little bit of a background, a little bit of information which will enable you to have a look further if you're interested in going to this place. Now, if you like this video, please mark it as a like, and if you want to see more videos like this, well then please subscribe. And apart from that, there's nothing really left to say except thank you very much for watching this video, and bye for now.